Hello and welcome to our podcast. Today, we will talk about one of the greatest minds who laid the foundations of modern science, Isaac Newton. Newton made revolutionary contributions to physics, mathematics, and astronomy. We will take a deep dive into his life, achievements, and contributions to science. If you're ready, let's begin. Chapter 1. Childhood and Early Years. Isaac Newton was born on December 25, 1642, in the village of Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. His father passed away before he was born, and his mother left him with his grandmother after remarrying. This lonely and challenging childhood led Newton to turn to books and science from an early age. As a child, he showed great interest in making mechanical toys and conducting various experiments. This interest laid the foundations for his future scientific career. Chapter 2. Education and Early Works. In 1661, Newton entered the University of Cambridge, where he studied mathematics and natural philosophy. During his university years, he embraced the works of Descartes, Copernicus, and Galileo rather than the teachings of Aristotle. In 1665, the Great Plague forced the university to close, and Newton returned to his family's farm in Woolsthorpe. During this period, he focused on gravity, optics, and calculus, making some of his most significant discoveries. Chapter 3. Gravity and Laws of Motion. Newton's thoughts on gravity are symbolized by the famous story of the falling apple. In 1687, he published Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, in which he explained the universal law of gravitation and the laws of motion. These laws form the foundation of classical mechanics and apply to a wide range of phenomena, from the motion of planets to objects on Earth. Chapter 4. Optics and Light Theories. Newton also made significant contributions to the field of optics. He discovered that white light is composed of different colors when split by a prism. This discovery formed the basis of his theories on the nature of light. He also invented the reflecting telescope, which marked a significant advancement in astronomy. Chapter 5. Calculus and Mathematical Contributions. Newton played a crucial role in the development of calculus. Independently of Leibniz, he developed calculus, which became a revolutionary tool in mathematical analysis and differential equations. Newton's contributions demonstrated the applicability of mathematical methods in natural sciences and became a cornerstone of modern mathematics. Chapter 6. Later Years and Legacy. In 1696, Newton became the warden of the Royal Mint, where he achieved significant success in combating counterfeiting. In 1703, he was elected president of the Royal Society, a position he held until his death. Newton passed away in London in 1727 and was buried in Westminster Abbey. Isaac Newton's work laid the foundation of modern science and mathematics. His contributions in gravity, laws of motion, optics, and calculus continue to inspire scientists and engineers. Newton's legacy will be remembered throughout history as one of the most important figures of the scientific revolution. Expanded sections asterisk. To delve deeper into Newton's work, we can add some extended sections. Here they are. Chapter 7. The Impact of Principia. Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, also known as Principia, is one of Newton's most important works. This book lays out the fundamental principles of gravity and the laws of motion. Principia had a profound impact, not only on Newton's contemporaries, but also on subsequent generations. It is considered a revolutionary work in the scientific world and laid the foundations of modern physics. Chapter 8. Optical Research and Color Theory. Newton's work on light and color revolutionized the field of optics. His prism experiments showed that white light is composed of different colors, fundamentally changing our understanding of the nature of light. Newton's optical research continues to be studied by scientists today and forms the basis of modern optics. Chapter 9. Newton and Alchemy. In addition to his scientific work, Newton's interest in alchemy is also notable. His fascination with alchemy led him to conduct in-depth research on the nature of substances and chemistry. Newton's curiosity about alchemy contributed to the development of his scientific methodology. Chapter 10. Newton's personal life and character. Newton's personal life and character are worth examining alongside his scientific achievements. Known for his reclusive and introspective personality, Newton dedicated much of his life to science. This dedication is a key factor in his profound impact on the scientific world. Newton's disciplined and determined nature explains his remarkable achievements in scientific research. Isaac Newton's vision, creativity, and scientific genius laid the foundations of modern science. His work revolutionized gravity, laws of motion, optics, and calculus, making substantial contributions to the scientific world. Newton's legacy continues to inspire scientists and engineers. His life and work will be remembered throughout history as one of the most significant figures of the scientific revolution. That brings us to the end of today's podcast. It was truly fascinating to learn more about Isaac Newton's life and work. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode.